Hello guys, how are you? How are you today guys? Kumusta kayong lahat? So, ito tayo guys. Medyo relaxing tayo today. So, I'm here only in the house. Ayun, yung update natin. So, guys, I hope you have a good day. Everyone, and keep safe. Yun lang guys. Ang update natin for today's video guys. Relaxing tayo at this moment. So, how's ano tayo guys for today? Andito lang tayo sa bahay guys. So, ayun. Sana nakikita nyo. Wala tayo ano ngayon guys. Dito lang tayo sa bahay for the whole day. So, no walking out for today. Stay at home. Ay, hello, yes. So, yun lang guys. I have a customer.